friends, welcome to my channel Rakhi Reviews. So before starting the video, I would request everyone to please subscribe my channel and hit the like button if you find the video useful. So let's get started with the review. Today we are going to review a educational toy, that's a kitchen set, Princess and the Kitchen Set from the brand Krivan. I purchased this product from Flipkart. The actual cost of the product is 899 rupees. I got it at a discounted price of 384 rupees. And this is a very interesting toy because this acts as a very good play pretend toy for your kids, and also helps them in learning how to share and care with others. It acts as a product which helps them to engage for a long period of time, and also this product claims to be of non-toxic plastic. So it's written it is ABS plastic, so it is odorless, and it's a great colorful piece of toy. It has got 26 accessories in total, along with this princess doll, small plastic princess doll. And this is a very good interesting uh, toy for kids who are 3 years and above, and it is not meant for kids who are below 3 years, as it is written in the website description. And it has got many interesting objects inside this package. So let's open the package and see how and what all are there in the packet. So as you can see, it has got a lot of stuff, a lot of small mini kitchen stuff. So this keeps your child engaged not only for a long period of time, but also helps them in learning a lot of social skills, helps in developing the motor skills, and also encourages them to share and care, because it teaches them how to play with others, helps them to serve for themselves and for your friends, family members, and encourages them to learn the social skills, which is very important nowadays. So these I'm just trying to arrange as much as possible so that I can give you a clear view. So this is the princess. You can see it's a peach color doll. It's made up of very light plastic. It is convenient to carry. As it is written, it is very light plastic. I can feel it. It is very light. So your kids can carry it for outing or carry it for any family functions. If they are going outside for their friends' house, they can carry it along with them. So this has got very interesting and beautiful objects with it. 26 pieces as they claim. Let us see what all is there. So this has got a tape on it. I will just remove it. So the colors are very subtle and beautiful, and the plastic quality is also too good. You can see it for yourself. Okay, let me just remove this for you. It has got 2 cups, some fruits, some vegetables, as you can see. And these look very pretty and are very handy and convenient for 3-year-old. And also it seems to be quite durable plastic, and as they claim it is non-toxic, so it is quite friendly for your kids and toys, as you can see. So one by one I'll just show you all the products which they have given along with this. and 26 pieces as they claim. Let's see what all it consists of. So 4 pieces of cutlery, as you can see, 4 pieces. It's very beautiful colored, rare. All the colors are too great, beautiful, and you can see it is handy also, the toy. So the finish quality is perfect. Plastic quality is also very beautiful. So these are 4 pieces of cutlery here. Then what else do they have? They have some fruits here too, fruits and some vegetables, as you can see. So this is again 4 pieces along with the basket. So grapes, cabbage and carrot peas. So this is 4, total 8 pieces I have already shown you. I'll keep it aside. 2 seafood products, one is a crab and a fish, as you can see it. Okay, then this is a lollipop stick. So total I have shown you 10 pieces of cutlery, vegetables and seafood. And this lollipop again, I'll keep it aside. So total 4, 8, 9 and 2 seafood, 10, 11. 11 pieces have gone. This is a filter. This is a water carrier, I guess. This is a water carrier. Doesn't open, I guess. Or no, doesn't open. So this is a water filter kind of thing, toy. Then it has got 2 cups, yellow color, quite decent size, as you can see. Then it has got a egg, 1 boiled egg you can say, and 1 omelette, poached egg and 1 boiled egg. So these are 2 again. This is a serving bowl. You can see here the serving bowl looks so beautiful. It's green color. Plastic quality, as you can see, is superb. So this is a kettle which they have given. It's so beautiful, and also you can see the colors are very subtle and very beautifully designed. You can see the colors are very subtle, green. They have used very good combination of colors like blue, green, pink and yellow to make this as attractive as they can. So this is again a pressure cooker, a modern pressure cooker, I would say. Nowadays it is modern. It won't open, it seems. This is a big one again colorfully designed and becomes very handy. You can see it's quite a decent size, not very small, not very big, but again it is a play pretend kitchen set, so it can be easily carried by your children. It can be played, they can play at home as well, they can carry it. This is a gas stove, as you can see, so beautiful, yellow colored, pink colored knobs. So I will keep this and I will show you 2 pieces of plate, 1 garlic they have given, 1 garlic plate, 2 pieces of plates, as you can see, 2 plates, 2 spoons. So this looks very beautiful, not too large, not too small. Some sausages they have given here, red color sausages. So in total, as they claim, let us count. This is the princess, as I have already shown you. So let us count the objects which they have given. So total should be 26 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. I can say one additional piece. I have included every object here. So total 27 pieces including the princess. If I would say if it is princess, and 26 accessories, kitchen accessories for fast food. So this is very beautifully designed toy. It's a play pretend kitchen, and it improves the social skills of your children and also helps them to serve for themselves as well as for their family and playmates. So this encourages them to improve their social skills, their motor skills. Their important is keeps them engaged for a good amount of time because it is so pretty, and it has got very beautiful subtle colors, and also the size is quite decent. As you can see, it is not too small, not too large, and they can also carry it. The kids can carry it for any outing, or they can carry it for their friends home, to their friends home. So it's very beautifully designed. It has got 26 beautiful accessories along with some fruits, little bit of seafood, little bit of vegetables, cutlery, and gas stove, some plates, a princess. So they can act and pretend, enjoy the toy perfectly. So it's a perfect kitchen. The little chefs can enjoy it. The cute little kitchen set comes from Krivan brand, and definitely you can purchase this product from many websites. I purchased it from Flipkart. So it's up to you. It's a very nice, as per my opinion, it is a very nice set, kitchen set, and it is also a decently priced kitchen set with good quality plastic. So you guys can definitely go for it. So thanks again for watching my video, and I request everyone to please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you find the video useful. Thank you.